welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today, I finally got a box to open, a bag to open this month. Everything I have is running late this month.
Me too.
You too?
Me too.
I have my Ipsy Glam bag, plus this will be the last Ipsy Glam bag plus that I do on the channel, and I will explain why and when we get to the specific item. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. I love makeup, as my channel name would suggest. I love doing all things makeup. This is my husband, Aaron. We do subscription box unboxings, mainly beauty unboxings, and I also do cooking videos at times, and I also talk about mental health issues. If you are into any of that, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and set it to all so that you're notified anytime that I upload a new video. So, if you don't know anything about Ipsy, they have their regular glam bag, which we do an Ipsy versus Ipsy on
One
that.
for the peasants.
And they have their Glam Bag Plus, and they have their Glam Bag X. The Glam Bag Plus is $28 plus $1.99 shipping, I think. And you get 5 full-size items. You get to choose 3 of those items. But, like, this month, the items that you choose from were just really, really crappy items to choose from, and they've just gotten worse.
Did you say that the selection was craptascular?
Yeah, craptascular. So they choose 2 items for you, and yeah, I'm just unimpressed with them. So I decided to cancel my subscription with them. But let's go through what I have gotten. So the first thing that they have chosen for me, come on, I'm using Aaron's phone right here, is this full Ritual magnetic balm. Ritual magnetic balm and Second Nature. So let's check this out. I don't know why it's in a plastic bag.
Because it's magnetic.
Yeah, I don't know what that means. And this is what it looks like. It is $23. Do you want to read about it, Aaron?
The magnetic balm provides hydration that leaves your lips feeling silky and glossy. It's rich in squalane and helps lock in moisture to give you soft, supple, and plump lips. It's also 100% vegan.
Okay.
And it will attract steel ball bearings.
There is just a tinge of color there. And yeah, the color is called Second Nature. So, yeah.
Now, if you put this on, do not put your credit card in your mouth because it will demagnetize the credit card.
Do you want to try it on?
Nah, it's okay.
Okay, now the second thing they picked out for me.
It's kind of orangey.
Kind of orangey.
Yeah.
And the reason that I finally got fed up with Ipsy is this. It is from the Som Institute. It's upside down. The Som Institute. It is, what is it?
Pads.
50 treatment pads. It is exfoliating glycolic acid pads. It is $65. Do you want to read about it?
Transport your skin to next level clarity with help from these exfoliating pads that are powered by the brand's proprietary MDT5, which delivers 8% glycolic acids to help promote resiliency, hydration, and cell renewal. Created by chemists.
Now, it's not the product itself. The problem is they have given me this before. Or BoxyCharm has. I've received this product. I'm using this product currently. I like the product, but I don't like getting repeat items. So I finally had to choose Boxy or Ipsy, and I'm choosing BoxyCharm. So it finally happened. I got a repeat product from one of them, and I'm not very happy about it. So
Would you go so far to say that you're mad at them? You're mad at it?
I'm disappointed.
I'm not mad. I'm disappointed.
Yeah. So those are the two products that they chose for me. Wait a minute. I didn't get all my products. Ooh. Next me.
I heard you talking smack about them.
Okay. I didn't get my Seattle London
Eyeshadow palette.
Trend Edit eyeshadow palette
That you picked?
that I picked.
That you picked?
Okay. Well, they'll be hearing from me this afternoon. So, I was supposed to get an eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I got a couple of things.
Nothing else in there.
I got a couple of things of their makeup wipes that came in my bag as well. The first thing I chose, which I really didn't want, but it was the only thing that looked half interesting, is this Monamine.
It was the thing that you not wanted the least.
Yeah, this Monamine facial acupressure beauty tool.
Poke your face with it.
Yeah, which I'm not really into beauty tools, but
Melt away facial tension with this handy acupressure tool that helps you activate specific beauty points with light to medium pressure, allowing for a more relaxed, harmonious, and younger-looking facial appearance. But where are your beauty points?
I don't know.
Well, that's the problem, isn't it? And it doesn't say to put them on the beauty points. It says apply a serum and moisturizer, and using light to medium pressure, roll the beauty tool all around your face to help with depuffing and circulation.
How do I get this out?
If you don't know, then you're not ready for it yet. There it is.
It's tiny. Look at it.
Well, yeah, if it wasn't tiny, then
Okay.
the pressure wouldn't be accurate.
There are the pressure points on your fist.
Mm-hmm.
It's in French.
If you don't speak French, you're not ready for this product.
Okay.
Third eye clarity.
Let me get this out of here.
And that thing, as it says, is to scoop stuff out of beauty containers.
Does it really?
Yeah, that's what it says. The bottom of the tool features a spoon that you can use to scoop beauty products out of the
finally.
jar to apply to your face for an easier and more sanitary approach. Because whatever you were doing is gross.
I bet they won't send me that palette. They'll just give me a credit. Because they'll probably... BoxyCharm already did this. They were like, we can't send you one of the items because we ran out of it. So we're sending you a credit. So
All right, so take this and poke me in a beauty point.
here, you poke yourself.
Well, that's no fun. Awaken my third eye clarity. Am I levitating? I'm not doing it right.
I don't even believe in that stuff.
I am transported. That could be good for this, where you do your jaw thing.
Yeah.
But, of course, you can kind of do that just with your finger. But it's not acu. This is more acu, because it's smaller than your finger. See? And it's shiny. Ooh, shiny. Shiny and tiny. Ooh, Glam Glow.
Yeah.
Youth Mud.
To tell you the truth, that eyeshadow palette wasn't very interesting looking, but I was kind of hoping to use it in a giveaway. The second thing I picked
You didn't
was
really want it. You're going to give it to somebody else, and hopefully they would want it.
yeah. What's this Glam Glow Youth Mud?
Youth mud.
Sorry for the noises.
It's like when it's like in the Smashing Pumpkins video where all the people are crawling up out of the muddy pit and then they blast them back with the fire hose. That's youth mud.
Yeah.
Mud on my feet, still just better. Cage.
You got this big old box for this tiny little.
You know why? It's because they care about the environment. That's why.
Oh, I am so glad. I am so glad. I'm going to write Ipsy. I'm going to write them through Twitter because that is the best way I can get hold of them.
Give them such a tweet.
And then I'm going to tell them I didn't get my eyeshadow palette. They're going to give me some points, and hopefully that'll be enough for me to actually get something because I have like 900 and something points right now.
You order something with your points, and then they're not going to send you that.
Basically.
And the cycle continues.
Okay. And yeah, I do have a recurring thing with them where I get these refreshment cleansing wipes. I don't know why I get 2 of them. I'll probably put
Because
one
they're
of these.
sorry.
I'll probably put one of these into the giveaway. But yeah, I don't know.
So what is the youth mud?
Yeah, did you not read about it?
Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow. Stimulating and exfoliating treated is a clay mud mask that uses volcanic rock, a natural clay blend, and antioxidant-rich TOXY-R green tea leaf in caps to help gently exfoliate and reveal a radiant, glowing complexion. More reasons you'll love it. You'll feel a zippy, tingling feeling that lets you know that it's working.
Did you?
If the zippy, tingling feeling turns into a burning, itching feeling, discontinue use.
What is this? What is the retail value on this?
$60.
This-
1.7 ounces, full size.
This is worth $60.
$60.
Yeah, I don't think so. But this is the bag this month. It says, you got this. Well, they don't got this. But,
See, you didn't get
maybe
what
you got this.
You didn't get what you asked for.
I didn't
You
get
got
it.
this.
I didn't get it.
You got this, and you'd be happy with it.
Oh, let's read the little card inside.
Ooh.
You got this.
You got this, girl.
Read it.
Yeah. September 2022. You got this. Sometimes you just need a reminder. As the CEO of your world, embrace every challenge with confidence, from nailing your eyeliner to acing your next project, and watch yourself level up. Scan to get into this month's theme. Your Fall Glam Guide. 3 makeup trends you're about to see everywhere. Glazed donut skin. I don't care if it looks whatever. That just sounds disgusting. The new smoky eye. And monochromatic draping. Give your go-to blush another life by sweeping it over your cheekbones and lids for easy yet impactful makeup.
That sounds cool.
Sounds better than glazed donut skin.
Part glow-inducing skincare, part perfectly placed highlighter. Oh, so they're saying highlighter's still
Luminous.
in?
Why don't they say luminous skin?
This luminous,
That sounds
no
so
makeup,
much better.
look will be your new everyday go-to. I still like
I
a
want
makeup
my face.
look.
I want my face to look like a glazed donut, please. Like I just went into Krispy Kreme and just opened the box and I just. That's what I want. I'd like to pay as much money for it as possible.
Okay, well that is everything in my glam bag. Plus,
glazed donut face, and like chicken grease lips.
It seems like every other month I'm contacting either Ipsy or BoxyCharm about something.
They just want your attention, obviously.
I guess.
Yeah.
So, alright. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave us a comment down below letting us know what you think.
Tell us if you want your face to look like a glazed donut and why.
Okay. We hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have that kind of a day today. And if you are having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out all those good, special vibes. And just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.